Low-carb diets are popular for weight loss, blood sugar management, and overall health. Here are some delicious and easy low-carb recipes to try. Breakfast. 1. Avocado and egg breakfast bowl. Have an avocado and remove the pit. Crack an egg into each half and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 15–20 minutes. Top with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. 2. Spinach and feta omelette. Whisk 2–3 eggs and pour into a heated, greased pan. Add a handful of spinach and crumbled feta cheese. Cook until the eggs are set, then fold and serve. Lunch. 3. Zucchini noodles with pesto and chicken. Spiralize zucchini into noodles, or buy pre-spiralized. Toss with homemade or store-bought pesto. Add grilled chicken breast for protein. 4. Cauliflower rice. Stir-fry. Sauté riced cauliflower in a pan with olive oil. Add diced vegetables, e.g., bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and protein, tofu, shrimp, or chicken. Season with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Dinner. 5. Baked salmon with asparagus. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet and surround with asparagus. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and dill. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15–20 minutes. 6. Stuffed bell peppers. Cut the tops off bell peppers and remove seeds. Fill with a mixture of cooked ground turkey, cauliflower rice, diced tomatoes, and spices. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 25–30 minutes. Snacks. 7. Cheese and veggie plate. Pair sliced cheese, e.g., cheddar, mozzarella, with low-carb veggies like cucumber, celery, and bell peppers. Add a handful of nuts for crunch. 8. Guacamole with veggie sticks. Mash avocado with lime juice, garlic, salt, and diced tomatoes. Serve with cucumber slices, celery sticks, or bell pepper strips. Desserts. 9. Keto chocolate avocado mousse. Blend 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons almond milk, and a low-carb sweetener, e.g., stevia or erythritol. Chill before serving. 10. Berry chia pudding. Mix 1/4 cup chia seeds with 1 cup unsweetened almond milk and a few drops of vanilla extract. Let it sit overnight in the fridge, then top with fresh berries. Tips for low-carb eating. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and nuts. Avoid sugary foods, refined grains, and starchy vegetables, e.g., potatoes. Experiment with low-carb substitutes like cauliflower rice, zucchini noodles, and almond flour. Enjoy these tasty, low-carb recipes while staying on track with your health goals. Avocado cooking.